Mathematical Habit of Mind 5 is use appropriate tools strategically. During math instruction, teachers should provide multiple opportunities for students to explore mathematics, determine the meaning and the requirements of a problem, and use tools to effectively solve a problem. It is important for teachers to be facilitators of learning and to monitor student exploration. Integrating Mathematical Habit of Mind 5 into classroom practice requires the teacher to provide opportunities for students to select the appropriate tools to solve problems. Developing this habit of mind in students includes introducing students to tools to solve a problem and helping students discern the appropriate tools for a situation. This habit of mind also requires examination and determination of appropriate tools for the problem or situation by asking questions such as, what tool would be helpful to use? Teachers can facilitate this examination by supporting students in the decision-making process. Opening the lesson with a conversation about all the tools we use in math gives cues to the student that they may have options when selecting tools, and some tools are more appropriate to certain tasks than others. A powerful question for the teacher to ask when determining the best tool is, why is it helpful to use a protractor in this situation? Taking time to introduce, explore, and question why the protractor is an appropriate tool to use, as opposed to other tools, is an important part of establishing the Mathematical Habit of Mind 5 questioning protocol in students. Encouraging students to select the appropriate tool strategically, in this case a protractor, enables the students to discover the characteristics of each type of triangle, which also encourages discussion, supports the use of mathematical language, and enhances classification skills when identifying the angles. Writing their findings helps students to compare each type of triangle and deepens their understanding of triangles. They can refer to these findings when explaining to classmates and defending their answers. Since Mathematical Habit of Mind 5 encourages students to use appropriate tools strategically, teachers can integrate this habit of mind by ensuring students have access to a variety of tools to select when problem solving. Students should feel empowered to select appropriate tools as they build a strong mathematical foundation.